guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to download Windows 11 24H2 ISO file. In this video I am going to show you. So for this guys, first you need to open any web browser on your PC. And here in the Google you need to search Windows 11 download, okay, and open the first link of the official Microsoft website, download Windows 11 Microsoft. Just click on it, okay. When you click on this link, it will open this website as you can see guys. So in this screen there is no Windows 11 24H2 ISO file showing here. So for this guys, first you need to log in your Microsoft account. So just click on login. So after signing with your Microsoft account guys, now what you need to do, you need to click on Windows Insider Preview. Just click on it, okay, and then select Windows 10 Windows 11 Insider Preview like this. Now it will open the new web page as you can see guys. So in case if you are not a Insider Preview member, so it will ask you to join the Insider Preview of Windows. To join this guys, open your Windows settings like this, go to Windows Update, and here you can get the option Windows Insider Program. Click on it. From here you can easily able to join the Windows Insider Program, okay. Afterwards it will show you this screen, okay. Scroll down and here you can get the system requirement to download install this file. As you can see guys, read it and then scroll down. At the end you can get the option select editions, extend this option. From here you need to select Windows 11 Insider Preview Release Preview channel, build number is 26100. just you need to select this, okay. So this is the OS of 24H2, okay. Select this and then click on confirm like this, okay. So it will take some time, and then now you need to select the language. I am selecting English, and then click on confirm. Now you can get the option to download 64-bit. So just click on 64-bit download. So it will start the downloading process. So as you can see guys, our file download was completed. So this is the way to download officially Windows 11 24H2 ISO file, okay. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.